Welcome back to Switch South Africa, and today you guys join me in KZN. I am launching, or well, we are launching the all new 2022 Suzuki Baleno. And yeah, off the bat, I do like the Baleno. It looks very beautiful. The back and the front, actually, all around. I'm just gonna tell you guys about the drive of the car, because I actually did drive the vehicle. So we're at our lunch stop actually right now. I drove the vehicle to the lunch stop from the airport. Around about just under 100k or so, 100 kilometers, and I did enjoy the drive of the vehicle. It reminds me of the outgoing one, the previous generation. They didn't change too much. They just upped the power a bit, and obviously did some technical stuff with the engine. But otherwise, the vehicle does drive the same. And in the background here, this is Kumbi.
Hey yo, what's good everybody? Subscribe to Switch Off South Africa.
Yes, and check out your website. Tell them your website is
kumbim.com. Now you know.
I'll put the link in the description below. So yeah, the car does drive literally the exact same as the previous generation. You do feel that you're in a Suzuki. But yeah, let's actually walk through the cars so I can show you the cars. And yeah, and also you can see this walk. Yeah, we injured again. The knee gave in. But let me just show you the cars. Let me rotate the camera quickly. So this one here, this is the top spec. This is the GLX, and you can see by the alloy rims, it looks very beautiful. I do like the rims, and also what I do like is actually the front, like over there, the lights. The lights do look beautiful. I'll try shoot at night if I get the opportunity, so I can show you how the lights look at night. But otherwise, this vehicle does look beautiful. Don't be surprised that you don't see the famous saucer plate. It will go on. All in due time, it will go on. Then yeah, we're here. We're in KZN. I have no idea where we are right now actually, but this is our lunch stop. And yeah, I hope you guys do like the content throughout the day, and I'll keep showing you guys what we have to offer with the Suzuki Baleno. That was day 2 of the Suzuki Baleno launch, day 2 and the final day. So we're in Hilton right now. I'm in my room, massive. So we're driving out from here to the airport, and we're flying back home. So just to wrap up everything, how was the launch? I enjoyed the launch. I enjoyed the cars as well. The look of the cars, they look very beautiful. I think my favorite part of the car is the front. It looks very beautiful, and I do hope you guys did like the content, and I hope to see you guys soon. I don't know when this video is dropping. Is it dropping after the Polo review or before the Polo review? But whichever it is, I hope you guys like the content, and comment down below what you think of the car. Do you like the Suzuki? And also, oh, the lighting is nice inside. And also, Toyota also launched same time as Suzuki launched the Baleno. So tell me, which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the Starlet or the Baleno? Starlet being Toyota, Baleno being Suzuki. And yeah, I hope you guys do like the content, and keep it locked. From Nicky Nash, I'm out in Hilton.